What is up, guys? It's Wads with the Wads Up channel. Thanks for joining me today. And today I'm going to hit you hard and fast because it's Tool Time Tuesday in under 2 minutes. Continuing with our whole theme of how to carry stuff on the truck. I've been doing lots of research of how to do that, right? So I reached out to these guys, BuiltRight Industries, some really clever designs for racks that you can carry inside your truck in the bed liner, right? So you attach these racks to the bed liner of the truck, and then you can attach whatever gear you want to get it off the bed of the truck and kind of keep it stowed, keep it secure. Different ways we can carry all sorts of gear, because I'm all about attaching it to the truck. A lifetime warranty. I'd actually like to ask them how many times they've had to exercise that warranty, because this stuff is it's substantial. Got our shovel mounting system attached. So the bracket that we're installing onto the BuiltRight in the end is going to go right there. Let's get her in place. We're going to put on these rail clamps. These little guys here clamp the back side of the under rail. So guys, there you go. There you have the BuiltRight Industries rack mount system. So you can put them in all four corners. And mounting, it's pretty much the same. And I got lots of room for other stuff here. I might even take this off and put this somewhere else and put a compressor in here. I'm not really sure, but it gives you options. And as you can see, you got lots of spots to put things. I'll leave the link downstairs in the show notes so you guys can check that out and where you can find these guys. The guy's name's Matt, super helpful. And let him know Wad sent you. All right, guys, cheers.